As the CEO of a real estate company with right now over 140 agents, we're always looking for ways that we can help them grow and expand their business, because really what they are is 140 entrepreneurs. And so what we did was we got in contact with Tony Robbins and his crew, and we hired them to do a one-day workshop where they came down here for 8 hours. They came out to Lake Havasu City. Two of his top coaches came out, and we created a full workshop. What we did was, it was incredible. It was, to be honest with you, one of the better days of my life. And we got not just our company, we got our entire community involved. And what we did was we talked about limiting beliefs. We talked about really the driving force behind our actions and why we kind of do what we do and what it takes to take things to the next level. And as the CEO, that's exactly what we're always looking to deliver for our agents. And it was so cool to see the community heard about it and they wanted to get involved as well. And we had over about 150 people there at that workshop this day, and the energy was incredible. Since the workshop, our sales have gone up 21%. This year we'll do over about $320 million in sales. We're still using the techniques and the strategies that were delivered to us that day in that workshop today. What else was so cool about the day is we did a board break where we put all of our limiting beliefs on a board, and we had 140 people smash through those limiting beliefs. And the energy in the room and the vibrations we were all feeling was incredible. And to see the change that people have made since that day was unbelievable. If you have a business, much like Tony says, if you're not growing, you're dying. You can always grow and you can always expand. And I challenge you to get in contact with Tony Robbins and his workshops. They over-deliver every single time. And we're still using the techniques, we're still using the strategies given to us. And like I said, it was one of the better days ever, and we're still growing today because of it.